Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the DREAME Aqua10 Roller AE. If you're interested in the AE, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead now and let's find where the vacuum bag is on our station. It's going to be under this removable cover, so grab it by those two arrows and just gently pull it out and away. That's going to reveal the vacuum bag. Now for the bag itself, just grab and gently pull to remove and make sure that this lid is all the way up, so you're sealing that vacuum bag so you're not spilling and spewing all of your dirt and dust and debris back into the air and onto your floor. Then take your new vacuum bag after you dispose of the old one. You can write the date up here too. It's just a nice little tip and trick for you. And then you can go ahead and just gently install the new one. I like to press it down on the sides and then shut the cover because it's a little bit more flimsy at the top, but up to you. And then you just take the cover. It only fits one way. Remember, arrows point down. Just gently press it back on, and there you go. Now your new vacuum bag has been installed. Happy cleaning.